everyone. Just want to do a little short video update. I'm cleaning up these heads. I'm doing a little bit of a port job on these. No, I'm not hogging it out or anything. I'm just kind of doing a somewhat of a port match on those headers I want to use. And I'm not even bringing it out to there. These were pretty far off. But just going in, just doing a quick chamfer on there and clean up anything that looks nasty. Grinding down the thermaculator or whatever nonsense in there. A little bit of a ball port. So far they look decent in there. And then cleaning all the edges off on the combustion chamber so I don't have a big spark knock area. So if you want to really know how to do the head port job, Ford Blue Gauge did a really good job. I think it's like a 3-part series on some GT40P heads. Just look up his stuff. I'm not going to repeat things that would been done better than what I would do. So he did a real good job on that. So I'm just doing the same thing that he did. You know, I'm just kind of doing my own version of it. It's stuff I've done for years anyway. So now I know he's doing a very good job on his stuff because I've already been there and done that. So anyways, that's a quick update on here. And once I get these cleaned and painted back together, that'll be that. And I still got the trick flow springs to put on the heads. So that'll kind of wrap that series up of round 2. Okay, I'm just going to continue taking these out, and I'm setting my valves back in order across here just as they come out. I need to do a little bit of table cleanup. I got all the gaskets and goofy stuff on here. So I'm going to clean this off a little bit. Once I get the head fully disassembled, I'll scrub it down, clean it outside, you know, away from my open engine bay over here, and get it all cleaned up. And then I'll start my valve lap compound, and I might come back in and do another clean after that. And then I'll be ready to assemble this. Recombobulated. Bam, broke loose. Now I do have the problem of the lock. It has locked. So this may not work. That's good. Okay, so I'm rotating it around just a little. See how hard those things are in there, even though it broke it loose? There we go. Yeah, completely broke loose now. Yeah, I did that the first try. Okay, I was working on one of these, trying to get this intake keeper off, and I just figured out the trick, and I want to share that with you guys. So, what I got, grab some of these components. This, of course, we've got the keeper, the 2 pieces of the keeper, it's sitting like that on top of there. And we've got the valve bound in it. So what I did was, I compressed the spring down, right? So that's compressed down. This and the keepers are locked in place. So, with it compressed, with my Performance Tool regular, you know, compressor style valve spring tool, I did that number right there, and I'm using the pliers to hold the socket, and I took my hammer and just kept smacking it, and then it let loose and the keepers just flew off. I mean, about 5 seconds. I think I spent about 10 minutes on that other one fiddling with it, trying to use this tool here and that and the other tool until I finally figured that out. So that's how you get the buggers off. Get it compressed, put that in there, smack it with a hammer. You know, we'll be very careful because these things can shoot out, right? And done. 5 seconds. All done. Took me 25 minutes roughly to get everything disassembled once it was out on the bench. And it would have been a little less than that, but I had to figure out my little trick with getting the keepers off the intakes. Got all my valves in order, set back there. I'm going to take this head, clean it up, probably do a little cleanup on my table, and get ready for reassembly. Okay, I got the cylinder head back together, clean and painted. So what I covered was how to tear down the cylinder head, how to install the springs. I didn't show much on how to port, but there wasn't a whole lot I could really do with these things. These E6 heads, there's really not much you can do with them. So, I got it all back together. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, hit subscribe, and don't be afraid to comment. So, see you next time on Broken Tool Garage.